Veneer stone is the perfect way to add a touch of elegance and atmosphere to any ordinary wall, column, fireplace, or barbecue. While you might be concerned about installation, hanging veneer stone is a simple project that you can do on your own with the correct materials and tools. The first and arguably the most important step is to plan your project. Once you've decided where you'll be hanging the veneer stone, the first thing you need to do is measure the area you plan on covering. If stone is going over any smooth surface, wire lathe is required to hold the stone on the wall. Begin by finding the square footage, subtracting those areas that you don't plan on covering. Once you have the correct square footage, add 5 to 10% to allow for any cutting or trimming you'll need to do. If your project involves corners or no uniform joint size, you'll need to keep those things in mind while measuring. Once all of this is complete, you'll know the proper amount of stone you'll need for the project. The following tools and materials will be needed for your veneer stone project: masonry saw, brick hammer, trowel, joint tool, adhesive or mortar, masonry brush and sponge, mortar bag, wire lathe, nails, mortar pan, and hoe. These tools can be purchased at your local hardware store or through an online retailer. Now that you've got the right measurements, tools, and materials, it's time to consider the stone itself. Nitterhouse offers a variety of veneer stone that ranges in style and color. You'll want to choose a stone that will best help you achieve your vision. Do you want the finished project to look more realistic? Are you going for a European vibe? Or do you want a more colonial feel? While most veneer stones work for a number of both exterior and interior projects, it's always best to make sure that the veneer stone you choose is suitable for what you plan to do. When designing, keep the stone's length and width in mind, since you'll want to vary, placing short stones next to longer ones and thin stones next to thicker ones. This will help break up vertical seams and give your project a more textured look and feel. Now you're ready for the final step, installation. Before hanging the veneer stone, make sure that the area is level and the surface is flat, clean, and smooth. Make sure to remove any bumps from the stones themselves. This will ensure that your project remains structurally sound for the life of the installation. By following the instructions provided with the purchase of the veneer stone and the layout you've designed for the area, you'll have your project finished in no time and a new decorative accent that provides an instant facelift to any area in your home. To get started on your next veneer stone project, find your nearest Nitterhouse dealer and pick out your desired stone or request more information online.